Let us consider this follow function. All of you know that how the follow functions will work. Okay, follow function, here this is the given grammar what you are having. So what is follow of the A? Nowhere it is there. So A is not at all there, but since it is a start symbol, so dollar has to be an included. So that is your follow of the A. Now come to the follow of the B. Where is the B? B is here and B is here. So twice it is there. So what is follow of the B here? A. So follow of the B will include A. Now here also we are having follow of the B is nothing is there, means epsilon is there, means nothing is there, means I have to consider the follow of the head of the production. So when I'll consider nothing is there and I have to consider follow of the head of the production, it is nothing but the follow of the B only. So it is A. So this is the follow of the B and this is the follow of the A what you are having. Okay. Now I'll start here. So print the follow set is. So this the follow set is printed. Now I'll consider the K is equal to 0 and count is equal to and 0. K is equal to 0, count. Again here whatever is there in the blue color, that is follow of the A. Whatever is there in the green color, that is a follow of the B. So initially count will be an equal to 0 and K will be equal to 0. Whether 0 is less than the 2, yes, then I'll enter count will be 0. Then I am printing follow of the percentage C. So is equal to, and what is I am considering the percentage C, that is the GRM of an K0. What is my K value? 0. So what is my 0? 0, 0. GRM of 0, 0. GRM of 0, 0 is A. Okay. So I am considering the follow of an, we are considering the follow of an A. So what is printed in this particular statement? Follow open close A is equal to open parenthesis. So till the open parenthesis is printed in this particular statement. Now only the thing I need to include in the follow of the A is this dollar and the close parenthesis. Okay. Now I'll come to this if statement. Why this if statement is used? In order to check whether it is a start symbol or not. Is K is 0? Yes, K is 0. Means it is a start symbol. So go inside and print the dollar. So I am printing the dollar. So I have printed here follow of the A is equal to open parenthesis. Now I have printed the dollar. So till here it is over. Only the thing I have to print now is the close parenthesis. We'll see that. Okay, so print the dollar and I am considering the FOL of K count, that is 0 and 0. We are considering as an dollar. Okay, we are storing that one because we will use all of them in the construction of the parsing table. So that's why we need to store it. Otherwise we would have printed it and we have kept it quiet. But since we are using it again for the construction of an parsing table, therefore we have to use this follow of the 0, 0 is equal to dollar. We are storing it and we are using it again. Now count will be incremented by 1. So this if condition is over. Now I'll come to the for loop. So when I'll come to the for loop, what I am doing it here is, so I am checking that. So overall what we are doing in this entire for loop is I am checking that whether in the body of the production anywhere I am finding the capital A or not. In this also, in this also. So maybe in this production or maybe in this production in the body of the production, not head of the production, only in the body of the production is we are having any of the capital A. Because if I am having anywhere here the capital A, I need to check what is there in the follow of that capital A. So but in this particular example we are not having a capital A in body of the production of both the production, but we have to check that one. So for checking that one we are using this entire for loop. Okay, so initially I is 0, j is equal to 3 and I am checking that the GRM of an 0, 3. What is 0, 3 we are having? It is a small letter A. All of you know that, no? 0, 3. What is 0, 3? Small a we are having. Okay, so I am checking that whether the small a is not equal to the, that is A is not equal to the null. Then I'll enter into this one. So here what we are checking. So whatever I have written it in the blue color here, it is for this if statement. It is not for a for statement. There was no space, so that's why I have written here. So whatever this entire thing I am written, in both blue and the green color, that is for this condition, this if condition. Okay, not for this, for it is for this if condition. So what I am checking here is, what is my I value? 0. So 0, 3 is what? Small letter a. Is small letter a is equal to the GRM of an 0. What is my k value? K value is 0. Okay, and what is my GRM of 0, 0? GRM of 0, 0 is nothing but a capital A. So I am checking here whether the small a is equal to the capital A. That is what I said. I need to check in both the body of the production whether anywhere I am finding the capital A. So that for that purpose, first I will compare this A with the capital A, whether it is equal or not. Then I will compare B with the capital A. No, not equal. Then I will compare A with the capital A. Small a with the capital A, no. Then again I will check with small b is equal to the capital A, no. Then capital B is equal to the capital A, no. Then pipeline is equal to the capital A, no. Then epsilon is equal to the capital A, no. That means nowhere that capital A is occurring in order to find out in the body of the production to compute the follow of the A. That is what we are checking in this if statement. Okay, so now initially I am checking whether 0, 3, that is A is equal to the capital A. Then what I am doing? No, means I will be in, I'll come out, if this condition is false, I'll come out here and I'll increment the value of the J. I'll not at all enter into this if this condition is false. Now what is my 0, 4, 0, 4, GRM of 0, 4, capital B. Okay, so I am checking now whether the capital B is equal to the A. That is what I said, the capital B is equal to A. No, again I will increment, I will not enter into this. Again I will increment the value of J. Again I am checking whether this A is equal to the capital A. No, again I will come back to this one. Then I will check whether the next one I will check whether now what is my this one. Okay, now when I will increment the J value is how much now? J value is 3 for this, 4 for this, 5 for this. Now I will come to the 6. So what is my 0, 6? 0, 6 is a null value. So when I will come to that one, so this condition will become a false. Now I will go back to the one for loop and I will increment the value of the I. Now what is I? I is equal to 1 now. So again J is equal to 3. Means what I am trying to do now next, I am checking 1, 3. What is 1, 3? So 1, 3 is nothing but a small letter b. So that means I am checking whether small b is equal to the capital A. Small b is equal to the capital A. No. Again I will come back and increment the J value. Then 1, 4. What is 1, 4? So what is 1, 4? 1, 4 is nothing but a capital B. So I am checking that whether that is equal to the capital A. So that is this one, B is equal to the capital A. I am checking. Anyhow K value is 0 only. We have not at all incremented it. Again what I am checking whether pipeline is equal to the capital A by incrementing the value of J. Okay, then I am checking whether the epsilon is equal to the capital A. No, nowhere it is found in the match. So we will not at all enter into this one. And both the for loops are got over. Means I have checked it for the first production also, second production also. When I value was a 0, then it is a first production. When I value was a 1, it is for the second production. Now for both of them, it is not equal to the capital A. For means capital A I am not finding in the body of the production. So not at all will enter into this one. We will go back. Okay. Now go back to what? Now this is over, this is over, this for loop is also over. Where I'll come to this one. So this closes for this for loop. Okay. This closes for it. Then I am printing the closing parenthesis. So that is print close. So what are the things we have printed? For follow of A we are printed here only. Okay, then I have printed the dollar here. So dollar is printed. Now that is closing parenthesis is printed here. Okay, so everything now printed. So we have printed follow of A is equal to open parenthesis dollar also printed, close parenthesis also printed. That means this follow of the A is over. That means now where I'll move to this for loop and increment the value of the K. Now K, whatever green color, it is for the follow of the B. Now K is equal to 1 and the count is equal to and 0. I am printing follow of the percentage Z 10, GRM of an 10. So GRM of an 10 is nothing but a capital B. That means I am printing follow of the B is equal to and open parenthesis. So follow of the B is equal to open, that is still here we have printed now only the left thing we need to print is the A and the close parenthesis. Got it? So now I am checking whether it is a start symbol or not. What is the value of the K now? It is 1. So anyhow K is not equal to the 0. I'll come out of this, means it is not a start symbol, no need of printing the dollar. Again I'll come to this one. Again here the same procedure will be followed. Okay, now what is I value 0? J value is equal to 3 and I am checking whether the 3 is not equal to the null. What is your 03? It is a small letter A. That is this one. 03 is this one. So whether it is not equal to null, yes, I'll come here. Then again I am checking that whether the small letter A is equal to the GRM of I03. 03. GRM of 03 is what? 03 is small letter A. Is equal to the GRM of a K0. What is K value now? 1 it is. So 10. What is 10? 10 is a capital B. Okay, now I am checking that whether this is equal to the B, then this is equal to the B, then this is equal to the B. That is what I am checking, means that I am finding that is in the body of the production that capital B is present or not. I am checking here in this if statement. So initially when I will consider whether A is equal to the B, A is equal to B, no. So A is equal to B, this condition will false. So increment the value of the J. Now I'll come here, J will be 4 now, then 04. What is 04? It is a capital B. So now whether the capital B is equal to the 10. What is 10? Again 10 is capital B. So this condition B is equal to B. So this is true. Now I am checking that. This condition, what is this one more condition, two more condition we are having here is, so I am checking that, so what is the value of the I? 0, and what is the value of the J? J is 4 now, because once there was no match, so I have incremented the value of J. So now J is 4. What is 4 plus 1? 5. So 05. What is my 05? Small letter A. 05 is a small letter A. So what is my 05? So means what I am doing, I am computing the follow of the A. So follow of the A I have to compute, no. So GRM of an 05 is not equal to null. What is GRM of an 05? It is A, small letter A. So it is not equal to null. And again 05 is equal to the pipeline. I am checking, no, it is not equal to the pipeline because it is a small letter A. Therefore all the three conditions are true here. So all the are true. Therefore I will enter into this. Now I am checking that whether the next element, that is the 05, next element is terminal or a non-terminal. I am checking. So what is the follow of the B you are having? It is a terminal. It is a small letter A. So 05 is a small letter A. So it is not of a non-terminal? Yes, because it is a terminal. This condition will become true. So I am printing follow of the 10. What is count we are having? 0 only. So follow of an 10, I am printing it as a A. Okay. What is this 05? 05 is nothing but a small letter A, this one. So I am copying that one and I am printing that one. So print the A. So follow of the B is equal to open parenthesis is printed here. Now I am printing the A. Only the left out thing I have to print is the epsilon. So that we will see it like that. Now count will be incremented by 1. Now the count value is incremented by 1. Now the count is equal to 1. Again where I will go? I'll go to the this for loop, increment the I by 1 1. Why? Because only I have checked in this particular production what is the follow of the B. Okay, now I have to check in this production also what is the follow of the B. Here also one capital B is there, so I have to check what is there in the follow of the B. Therefore I need to go to this particular production. For that purpose I am incrementing the value of the I now it is 1, so which is less than 2. Yes, then again I'll come to the 1 3. J value is 3, so 1 3. What is your 1 3 value? 1 3 is nothing but the small letter B. So 1 3 is nothing but a small letter B. Okay, 1 3 is nothing but a small letter B. Is it is not equal to null? Yes, then I'll come to this one. Now I am checking that the 1 3. What is 1 3 small letter B? I am checking whether it is equal to the capital letter B. So it is 1 0. 1 0 is still it is a capital B only. That means I am checking that whether the small letter B is equal to an capital letter B. Small letter B is equal to capital letter B. No. Again I will increment the value. I will not enter into these if. I will increment the value of the J. Now J is 4. Now I am checking whether the 1 4. What is your 1 4? So 1 4 is capital letter B. So whether that is equal to the capital letter B. Yes. B is equal to B means what? I am having one more B in the body of the production. So this B I have identified. Now I have to check the other two condition. Other two condition, what it says, the next character is equal to the null or not. So after this what you are having a pipeline. So it is not equal to null, true. Now again in this I am checking whether the next character is the pipeline. Yes, following the B, next character I am having a pipeline. So this condition will become a false now. So even though these two are a true, but this condition will become a false because follow of the B I am having an pipeline. I am having a pipeline. So that's why this condition will become a false. So I will not enter into this one. So again when I will increment the value of the I, when I will increment the value of an I, so what I should get now? No, not I. Again I have to increment the value of the J only. So anyhow we are not entering to this. Again I have to increment the value of J only. So now what I am checking whether the pipeline is equal to the capital B. Again I will not enter into this. Again I will increment the value of J. Again I am checking whether the et is equal to, that is epsilon is equal to the capital B. Again it is no. Therefore will not enter into this one. Finally I will increment the I value by 1. So what is I? It is 3. 2. Is 2 is less than 2? No. Therefore we will come out and we will print the close parenthesis. So we are printed the close parenthesis. So like that we have printed the follow of the B is equal to open parenthesis here, and we have printed the A here, and we have printed the close. So that's it about your follow of the B. Okay, so once it is over, then again I will come back to this one. K value will be an incremented. Now K is equal to and 2. Is 2 is less than 2? No. So I will come out of this last close parenthesis. So that is about your follow function. So in the follow function you will be finding the follow of the A and the follow of the B, and whatever is there in the blue, it is for the tracing of the follow of A. Green color is for a follow of the B. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next session I will explain you about the construction of the predictive parsing table and also parsing of your given string. Okay, thank you.